So guys, for this video, I decided not to use any silver and just use gold out of some because I have so much of gold stuff that I never really use. I kind of lean towards the silver glam look and the glittery and the glitz and stuff. So I wanted to use some gold. I decided to do this wall decor DIY using the plates from the Dollar Tree with some gold spray and some gold beads and stuff like that. Then I changed it up and I went ahead and added some silver, so hopefully it comes out okay. I hope you like this video, and feel free to leave me a comment down below if this is something that you would keep in your home. So I just wanted to try it with gold because I never use anything gold, you know what I mean? So yeah, and subscribe to my channel for more easy, simple, glam DIYs. I hope you like this video, guys. Bye. Have a good one. You guys, so I decided to add silver to this. A mixture of silver and gold. Let's see how it comes out. So I'm gonna add 6 little circles. I'm gonna cut this off into circles so I can fit in the middle of the plate. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so I went ahead and reinforced the back a little bit more just to keep it a little bit more sturdy. And I'm going to go ahead and add this to hang it on. So I'm just gonna place it right here in between the two corners. And this is an old bag that I had from a frame that I had a long time ago.